Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, we're diving into something super useful. How to turn on email notifications in Gmail for 2025. Whether you're a busy professional or just someone who hates missing important messages, getting those notifications set up can make a huge difference. Let's jump right in and get you notified in no time. First off, why bother with email notifications? Well, in 2025, Gmail has made some updates to make things even more seamless, helping you stay on top of your inbox without constantly checking your phone or computer. This feature ensures you get alerts for new emails, promotions, or even priority messages instantly. To start, open your Gmail app or head to gmail.com on your web browser. If you're on mobile, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your settings menu. Click on it, and then select See All Settings to dive deeper. Now, scroll down to the General tab, but wait, hang on. In the 2025 update, Gmail has reorganized things a bit for better accessibility. You'll find a new section called Notifications and Alerts. Click on that. Here, you'll see options for email notifications. Make sure to toggle on Enable Notifications for new emails. You can even customize it further. Choose whether you want sounds, badges, or vibrations. If you're on desktop, Gmail might prompt you to allow browser notifications. Just click Allow when it pops up, and you're good to go. For mobile users, go to your device's settings, find Apps, select Gmail, and ensure notifications are permitted. This step is crucial because sometimes phone settings override app preferences. Once everything is turned on, test it out by sending yourself a quick email. You should get a notification almost immediately. Remember, these settings might vary slightly based on your device or Gmail version, so if you run into any issues, double-check for the latest updates. And there you have it. You're all set to never miss an email again. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.